In this lesson for Nik Software's Dfine 2.0, we'll take a look at the interface as accessed through Adobe Photoshop's Lightroom 2. Once you've opened the software and determined which image you wish to edit with, we'll go to Photo, Edit in Dfine 2, and this will open the Nik Software interface for Dfine 2, and this is a quick way to open the interface from within Lightroom. Now, as soon as the image opens, I've got mine set to automatically profile the image. Noise reduction is always a two-step process. First is measuring the amount of noise that's present in a picture, and then the second step is reducing that noise. In this case, you'll see these small squares that have been automatically placed in numerous places around the image. The software reaches out into your photograph and looks for areas where there's no patterns, no textures, no shapes, no lines, so it can get a good read on the type of noise that is present. Then it sets about removing that noise. Now, to start with, in the upper left corner of the interface, there's three different view modes: single image view, a split preview, which is a real useful tool for being able to slip back and forth before and after to see before and after samples, and then a side-by-side view, which works very well in a lot of cases. With a single image view, you can also have access to the before and after checkbox, the preview checkbox. Next, we have different modes, so you can check on which mode you wish to view in, the chrominance level, the luminance level. You also can see the noise mask, the contrast and the color noise masks, based on if you individually or selectively edit the noise in this picture, and we'll talk more about that. And then we have the select tool, the zoom tool, which is the shortcut of Z key, and then the pan tool or hand tool. And then we have the background color, so you can click on that and change from light gray to medium gray to dark gray. I always like mine usually around a medium gray. And then in this area is where all the controls are for the actual noise reduction. Measuring the noise, we've got it set right now to automatic, and you can set to automatic or manual. Reduce the noise, you can reduce the entire image, or if you choose to selectively reduce noise, you can select control points or color range. And then down below we have the loop tool, which follows the cursor around the image and gives you a 100% view of whatever you're seeing. And you'll see a before and after, left and right. Now, if I zoom into this picture, let's take a look at the noise that we've just worked on. Here in the sky, if I click on the split preview, you'll definitely see the before and after. It's very strong noise that was in the sky. As you can see here, that Dfine did a really nice job of removing that noise for us. My loop tool has now become a navigator. Since I double clicked on the image, it went to 100% in the live image area. So I'll just position this right over this building so we can see before and after. So here's before with the noise, and here's after. And you can see that all the sharpness and all the detail is still present, but we've reduced all that noise that's in the sky and on the side of this building. We've basically taken an image that was pretty unusable and have made it quite usable. Now, once we've done this, and once we are satisfied with the noise reduction, all we have to do is click Save. And it takes us back into Lightroom. It takes that and saved a new version of that image for us, and it's saved as a TIFF file.